In the CTL portion of this project, our goals were to improve the user experience for both developers and adopters, and to further modularize the code base by extracting the query layer, providers, and transaction balancing logic into separate reusable packages. In the fifth milestone, we aim to reduce the complexity of managing dependencies when upgrading CTL to a new version, as even minor discrepancies or oversights during the process could lead to hard-to-debug issues and, as a result, significantly slow down development. To simplify this process, we created an npm meta package which re-exports all CTL npm dependencies, and also created a separate repository with a curated list of pure script packages used in CTL. Now users no longer need to keep track of the individual pure script and JavaScript dependencies when updating CTL, as the process was reduced to simply ensuring the versions of the npm meta package and pure script package set are bumped correctly. As part of the fifth milestone, we also updated our Ogmios communication layer to use a new HTTP interface instead of WebSockets, which allowed us to reuse existing HTTP communication code, reducing overall code base complexity and simplifying future maintenance. In the final sixth milestone, we focused on extracting the provider interface along with its Blockfrost and Kupo plus Ogmios implementations used in CTL. First, we put the provider interface into its own repository. This interface basically defines a set of queries for interacting with the Cardano blockchain, which must be implemented by all query layer components supported by CTL, which are, as mentioned before, Blockfrost and Kupo plus Ogmios. Next, we extracted the Blockfrost and Ogmios plus Kupo provider implementations into their respective repositories to further facilitate the reusability of individual Cardano domain components in PureScript, while also improving developer experience. Finally, we moved the transaction balancing and coin selection modules into a standalone package with a self-contained interface, and also introduced support for pluggable transaction balancers in CTL. This enhancement should allow users to integrate custom balancers when the provided default solution does not satisfy specific domain requirements. Overall, this effort significantly enhanced the user experience, modularity, and maintainability of CTL by simplifying dependency management, introducing reusable components, and enabling a pluggable architecture. I believe we've established a strong foundation for the future adoption and evolution of both CTL and the broader PureScript Cardano ecosystem.